What's up, everybody? This is Zack, aka Zack, aka I'm Zack, aka Love Frenzy on PlayStation 5 and Super French Big Z at Ubisoft. So I have a special video for you guys today, unboxing video. I love unboxing video. I never get to do unboxing video that much, so let me do one right now. And we are doing the special unboxing video because today thing is the MLB All-Star game, So a big shout out to all you guys that are enjoying the All-Star game. And because you are, my favorite baseball team is Cincinnati Reds. Obviously, you have a different favorite baseball team. So I'm not going to put on a hat because it's sign of respect to one of my best friends who is a Oakland Athletics A's fan. And I haven't heard from him for a long time. There are chances that he might be POW slash, missing in action. So I am, just to lift my spirits, I'm just sending this video to him, and I hope that he's okay, and I hope that he's all right. I haven't heard from him in a long time. All I know is that he's very busy, just as I was, but because of whatever reason, they basically kept us both hostages until jobs gets done, and then eventually they will let us finally have a beer together. So I don't know what all the intricates are, but I hope to God that they finally let the two of us have a beer eventually. Anyway, special MLB All Star. We're gonna do an unboxing of the show 24 NEGRO-LEAGUES edition. Very nice over here. Black Lives Matter, BLM, very important. Big shout outs. I'm sure the NAACP is gonna show how this is a great feature from MLB on PlayStation 5, and a big shout out for you guys who reduced the price to make it more affordable for gamers on the PlayStation console. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Okay, we have a hat in here, and we have a hat of Discover Greatness. We have a hat of Discover Greatness of the NEGRO-LEAGUES of the MLB. It's a new hat at $9.50 snapback, and very nice, very nice, very nice. Let's put this on right here. All right, very nice. And there seems to be a steel case inside. Very cool, very cool. So I believe the steel case does not have the game inside, but it does have the it has a code. It has a code inside for the special limited edition, and even better, it will have it's a digital content full game download, PS5 and PS4. It has 20,000 stubs, 2 diamond choice packs, 5 gold choice packs, 20 the show packs, 1 equipment pack, 1 cover athlete bat skin, double daily rewards, and this is, you can play 1 to 4 players, 2 to 8 network players, and it takes about almost 100 gigs on your PlayStation 5. And this is it. This is a very great game, and like I said, it's a steel book display case, but there's no game disc included because it's just digital. You can play for it digitally. So a big shout out to MLB. Like I said, they did not give this to me. I know that funny enough, as we talk about minorities and discrimination and BLM, I am a minority myself. I might not be black, but I am brown. You do know that a lot of these gamers, a lot of them white, get a bunch of swag or free content or free stuff in the mail. I don't get any of that. This edition of the MLB The Show 24, I paid out of my own pocket. I wanted to get this because I wanted to inspire the youth that eventually, when you get older, do your homework, keep doing your homework, graduate, and someday you'll be able to buy the favorite game that you want. I know a lot of you like baseball. Someday you'll be able to get The Show 24 limited edition at your leisure. That's what I've been able to do. When I was younger, I wanted to get, I always wanted to buy Sonic. I couldn't afford Sonic. When I got older, I was able to download Sonic Frontiers for the PlayStation 5. That's what I was able to do. So keep doing your work, your homework. Listen to Bakio Radio if you need to listen to lo-fi music. Keep doing your work a little bit at a time, all the time, and eventually you'll be able to get your job. You'll be able to get your games. Did you see what happens at fast food now? Everybody hated flipping burgers when they were in high school. Guess what? Now you work in fast food, you flip burgers, you make $20 an hour, and now you can tell Mr. Krabs to, screw himself pretty much. That's what can happen when things can get better in the state of California, where Gavin Newsom is the governor. Keep working hard, and eventually you'll be able to do great things. You can do it. You can do it. So enjoy yourselves at the All-Star game, and it's going to be an excellent game, a great game to enjoy. America's favorite pastime. And as you know, I have someone that loves baseball, but doesn't even have time to eat a sandwich. And I hope he's doing okay. And he's got a lot of stress, but I wanted to make this little video for him because in a matter of about 6 minutes, just 6 minutes flat, he will be able to watch this video and get a good laugh and just be like, "Oh man, thank God for Zack." So just that will the French expression is "ça va me faire chaud au cœur." So hopefully this expression, replicated for him, he will face the same expression when he sees this video and say it'll be heartwarming for him when he sees this video that, like I said, how far he has come in his line of work because of the color of his skin, and how far I've had to come over in my line of work because of the color of my skin. So anyway, this is the MLB The Show 24 special edition. Be sure to check it out. This is the Negro League edition. Black Lives Matter, obviously. And just a big shout out to every one of you that love baseball. I'm really excited. I got to finally toss the ball around with my stepdaughter, who it was very hard to get her to enjoy some softball, but I've never got to throw the ball around with my father when I was younger because baseball was not our thing. But it's just it made me very happy. It made me very happy to just throw the ball, even if it's just a softball. Yes, a lot of the tough guys, alpha male, all just started cracking jokes and making fun. This guy will never last 9 innings. Oh, that's true. I might not last 9 innings, but let's go ahead and pick a different field and talk about real-time strategy, and let's see if you guys can last about 70 hours straight. I bet you cannot, but I can. Okay. All right. So we're not gonna have a pissing contest right just now. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. We're gonna keep the video short because the person that I'm addressing to has a very crazy schedule, meetings back and forth, doesn't even have time to take a piss or eat a sandwich. So a big shout out to you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and other than that, more things coming up, more content. I'm gonna try to play some more Yakuza. I have a little bit weak of a stagnation over here, and until that takes place, I'm just gonna play some Yakuza, and we will have to wait. I'm still waiting for a new car. It's still not working. No new car means no updates, because that's I'm being taken advantage of. People keep asking me to do more podcasts, keep going higher, and I keep asking, well, I need a new car, and no one wants to help. So now we're just going to wait it out. We're going to wait until a new car is available, and then once the new car is available, we're going to go higher. That's what we're going to do. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and if you're always wondering who's this guy when you're listening to those earbuds, Jet Lag Radio, that's me. Please vote for me. Zack Kayumi, DJ Mac Top 100. I need to be on that poll. I want to be able to be recognized for Jet Lag Radio, get famous enough so I can buy a car. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you. ZAKIQAYOUMI. ZAKIQAYOUMI. Go to djmac.com. Thank you so much. And this is Coffee with Zack in English. Hope you enjoyed my live streams of Cyberpunk 2077 in Japanese. There'll be more cool live stream of those. And by the way, Batman is in danger. So Gotham Knights, we got to play a lot of that. And we hope for that Batman DLC. Let's cross fingers. We hope to get that Batman DLC as soon as possible. It's got to happen. I'm still working to get the Deus Ex trilogy. Trying to make that happen. We got to get the first one, Human Revolution, back on the PSN network so people can play it, get those trophies. This is what I'm playing right now, again, for your leisure, for your viewing pleasure. And I'm trying to get a third one. I'm trying to get a third one of Adam Jensen. Got to get the IP from Eidos Montreal, and then get some developers to get it built. So we're working. My startup, my company, my corporation, Zack Technology LLC. I'm trying to do big things right here. I am the founder, CEO, senior project manager. I'm a designer. I'm trying my best here. And if you're interested, just contact me and we'll try to see what we can do here. Right now, I just need venture capitalists and angel investors, and that's how we're going to get started. Thank you guys for watching. Like I said, video is not going to be too long. And until next time, guys, this is Zack, aka Zacky. Until next time.